One of the most important decisions a person who's been injured in an auto wreck needs to make is selecting an attorney. There are a lot of attorneys out there. There's a lot of attorneys who want your business. There's a lot of attorneys that hold themselves out as an competent attorney in personal injury wrecks. That's just not the case. When you select a personal injury attorney who you want to represent them, a couple things you need to look at. One is how much of their practice is dedicated to personal injury. Do they work regularly with personal injury cases? Do they go to trial? A lot of lawyers settle all their cases. They don't go to trial. We had a 6-day trial a year ago, which settled as a jury deliberated with the insurance company because they realized they needed to get it settled. And probably one of the largest wrongful death verdicts that there's been in north central Oklahoma. So look and ask your attorney, when's the last time you went to trial and what was the results? Another issue is how competent they are in what they do. And you can look at their reviews, you can ask for references for previous people that they've represented. The other issues that come out in personal injury cases is you need to ask them the length of the trial. That's always another one. The other question I think is important, who's going to be handling my case? A lot of big firms will give you off to an associate with very little experience, and you'll wonder who really represents you in the case. In our firm, I will be representing any personal injury case personally from start to finish. The big thing is do you like your attorney? Does he connect with you? Is he a person who understands what it is to be an Oklahoman and the things that you have to deal with? Is he someone who understands how it is to be a single father, how it is to be a single mother? When you're injured, your whole life is turned upside down, and you need to make sure that the attorney you select understands that and you feel comfortable with them. You're the boss. You get to select your attorney, and you need to make that decision a wise one. You might want to interview several attorneys before you make your decision. Just don't select the one that you talked to the very first time. Just because people spend a lot of money on TV doesn't mean they're the best attorney. That just means they spend more money advertising. So select the attorney you believe will represent you fairly and aggressively.